You're searching how to buy shares of CoStar Group Inc. CoStar Group Inc. is a commercial real estate information and analytics company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CSGP, and this short clip is educational only and not financial advice. I will walk through the basic steps to help you understand the process. To place an order, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will typically need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CSGP to locate CoStar Group Inc. Make sure you select the correct NASDAQ listing that matches the company name before proceeding. Open the stock page to review basic company details and a price chart for context. Confirm the page shows CoStar Group Inc. with ticker CSGP and that you have the right listing. Click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest or the number of shares, then carefully review the order details and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it completes the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. Check the link in the description for the eToro example if you want to follow along.